Looking to add funds to your Eneba wallet for buying games and gift cards? Topping up your Eneba wallet makes purchases quick and easy on the platform. In this guide, I'll show you how to add funds to your Eneba wallet. To add funds to your Eneba wallet, first, log into your Eneba account on their website. Navigate to your Wallet or Balance section, which you can usually find under your profile icon. You'll see your current wallet balance and an option to top up, add funds, or similar. Click on this option. You'll then be prompted to select the amount you wish to add and your preferred payment method. Eneba typically accepts various payment options like credit-debit cards, PayPal, or other local payment solutions. Finally, complete the payment process as guided by your chosen method. Once the transaction is successful, the funds will be immediately credited to your Eneba wallet, ready for your next purchase. And there you have it. Adding funds to your Eneba wallet is simple. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.